Select the correct water image of the given figure X. Water image means what? Where will the water be? Water will be here, here or here. Water will always be down. So remember this logic. Means this is kept above the water and then we are seeing the reflection in the water. So just check these figures here. These two semicircles, we can call it, they are near to the mirror. So here also they will be near to the mirror but in the opposite direction, right? Means this will be this side, this will be this side. Okay, so this is in figure 4 and figure 2 both, right? So 4 and 2 contain these two circles same near to each other. Means here the mirror will be over here, right? Means mirror means water. So these two are okay. Now out of this 2 and 4, which one? Now this square, if you see, the blank part is below. So when you put it in on the water, the reflection will be, the half part will be above, right? It won't be like this in 2. It will be like in 4, right? So that's why the answer is 4. This is the answer. One important part you have to remember in water image is the water is always kept below. It can't be kept above or horizontal or vertical anywhere. Okay.